It's beautiful, guys.
I love this stuff. It's amazing.
Is it?
I'm gonna get my whole hand covered. Welcome to Steleo. Hi guys. Today we're gonna do an experiment with a cornflower. One again?
Yeah, so we will make an experiment with cornflower and water. Oh my goodness, I can't hear anything.
First we're gonna put some cornflower in. Let's put a little.
Yeah, so don't put it all. Put a bit. Oh, I think it's enough. Yeah?
More. Can I stir it?
That's plenty. No, you need some water. Okay, now Stella
And then
put some
can I
in.
stir?
Yeah, after. Oh, Stella put too much. Yeah, so cornflower is in. Beautiful. Let's put water. Keep stirring. Keep stirring, keep stirring. Yeah. Stella will do the same. Keep stirring. Woohoo! A little bit more, I think.
It's stirring flour.
Very nice. So keep stirring. Yeah.
It's getting. That's water. Mama, we made this in playgroup.
Did you? Okay, keep doing that. No, stir, stir.
It's too hard.
Okay.
Does it mean it's done?
So we mixed it, and it looks something like milk.
Milk.
Yeah, it does look like milk, right?
Cans. Milk cans.
Yeah. So I wonder,
If we should put more cornflower.
do you think we should put a little bit more cornflour?
Yeah. It's not good enough.
Is it not good enough? Okay, let's put a little bit cornflour.
You put more cornflower because our hands are kind of dirty.
Okay. Okay.
Lots of it. I like it for mine. Should we agitate?
Yes, please agitate.
Agitate. Agitate.
Some for you?
Yeah,
Okay.
agitate.
Oh, it's let's do Leo's and see what happens.
It's like one family
Okay, so what
party.
happened?
It turns solid, guys.
Yeah, it turns solid when you play with it, and when you leave it, it becomes liquid, right? So
Liquid
it's liquid
start.
now. It's liquid now.
Let's start.
Yeah, look. Do you want to make a little ball? Okay, look.
I can make a little ball.
Look, it's solid, and when I let it go, oh look, it runs like milk. Let's do it again.
No, my turn.
Okay, look, it's solid, and when I let it go, it's liquid. Oh my God, I know what happened. I know what happened. Stella, did you make some magic with your magic wand? No? Okay, look, like this. Put it in your hand. Put it in your hand and play like this, okay? When you play, it's hard. Play. Look, it's hard. Let it go. Let it go. Wow.
Go to Mama's hands.
Yeah, it comes into Mama's hands and it looks like milk. Play again.
Take it off. Take it off.
I can't take it off. You have to move your hand. Look, like this. It's hard. And now look, it becomes milk again. It becomes like liquid. Okay, do you like this?
It's not totally with this.
Look.
Mama, put it back.
Okay. Wow!
It's like a pizza.
Like a pizza. Yeah.
Agitate. Agitate.
Oh, I think you made it too liquidy, Leo. No, because you put more water. But anyway, look, let's play. Look, it becomes a ball and then
Try to spread it out. But stop doing that. I'm trying to spread it
I
out.
like it so much.
Mama,
Ooh.
Mama, can you please stop? I'm trying to spread it all out.
All right. Stella, can I play with yours?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look, it's solid. And then, look. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
All right. Shall we make it colorful now? Should we put some colors in?
Yeah.
What colors do you want, Stella?
Green and pink.
Green and pink. And what about you?
Orange.
Okay, so I have good news and bad news. I have green, but I don't have orange. Do you know how to make orange?
Yeah, red and yellow.
Woohoo! Okay, let's do that. So we put some green and we put some yellow and red to make orange. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm loving it. It's so
Orange.
cool. Yeah, look at that.
I'm still agitating.
You're still agitating. What about you, Stella? Are you still agitating?
I'm
Yeah. Do you need some help?
Yeah.
No, just let me know if you do.
Help.
Help? Okay. Can I put my hand in? All right. So cool.
It looks like slime.
It does.
It's actually slime, I think. Yeah.
Oh, look at it.
Agree.
Okay, I think, Stella, we can put more. Where is it? We can put more. We have a little bit more mixture. Yeah. Oh, well done. Very nice. Okay.
Stella, look at mine. Look at mine. My hand
Is it orange?
Your handprint.
It's beautiful. Are you doing a handprint? Yeah.
I do the handprint last time.
Yeah. Look at it. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's beautiful, guys.
I love this stuff.
So cool.
It's amazing.
Is it?
I'm gonna get my whole hand covered.
Mm-hmm.
Slime. I call this spring slime.
String slime. I like the name. String slime. What are you doing, Stella?
Mixing.
Ah. Look, we're gonna make a little ball. And then I'll let it go. I'll stop. And it becomes liquid. Oh, I love this.
It's so squishy and icky. Mama, maybe we should pour it all into a bigger cup so we can have lots more.
Lots more. Ah, look, green slime. Wah.
Green slime. Muddy puddle.
Don't do the muddy puddle. Don't do the muddy puddle. Hey, I have an idea.
What?
Oh, Stella is scratching your nose. Look at you, little monkey. I have an idea. What if we add some glitter?
Yeah. We'll have glitter.
Yeah?
Glitter.
Do you want some glitter, Leo? Yeah?
I've got glitter.
Oh, you put your hand on your face. Are you guys having fun? Oh no! Oi! Hey, excuse me. What are you doing?
Spilling.
What about glitter?
Yes, please.
Okay. Leo, do you want some? Who wants
Mama.
some? Okay. Here we go. Just a little bit of touch of glitter. Okay, you have to mix.
I'll color with this.
I think with your hand. Can you do it with your hand? Do you want some, mister?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, some glitter.
Pour everywhere.
Everywhere. Okay. How does it look with glitter? So
It's sticky.
Can I help you?
No.
Can I help you mix it?
I'm covering it after.
What are you doing?
Muddy puddle. Make it warm.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Stella, if you jump in muddy puddle, you must.
I have socks.
Oh, where are your boots, Baba?
I don't know. There.
Oh, you're funny.
And my boots on.
All right. If you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your
Socks.
How does it look with glitter?
Even.
Huh?
Good.
Good? Even better? Yeah, okay. Oh, I'm loving it. Can I use yours? What are you looking at? Can I play with yours?
Zaza. Thank you.
Okay. Do you want to make a ball? Do you want to just roll with two hands and make a ball? Make a ball and not let it go? Let's see what happens. Okay, roll. Okay, and then...
Not too much water.
Yeah.
Mine is gone. I don't have them.
Show me. Where is yours, Missy?
It's in the floor. Bye guys. It was lots of fun. String slime.